Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with both institutions. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and HSBC USA hinges on your specific financial needs. Are you primarily focused on domestic banking, or do your finances have an international component? Are you seeking robust credit card rewards, specialized investment services, or perhaps streamlined small business solutions? Let's delve into the strengths of each bank. JPMorgan Chase, a dominant force in U.S. banking, offers a comprehensive suite of services catering to a wide range of financial needs. From personal and business banking to mortgages, loans, and wealth management, Chase provides a one-stop shop for its customers. Their extensive network of branches and ATMs nationwide, combined with a user-friendly digital platform, makes banking convenient and accessible. Chase's credit card offerings are particularly attractive, with lucrative rewards programs that can appeal to frequent spenders. If your financial activities are primarily within the US and you value convenience and a broad spectrum of services, Chase is likely a good fit. HSBC USA, part of a global banking powerhouse, distinguishes itself by catering to individuals and businesses with international financial interests. If you require services like foreign exchange, multi-currency accounts, or access to international markets, HSBC offers distinct advantages. Their premier and advanced banking packages provide tailored benefits specifically designed for customers with international income streams or overseas investments. While HSBC's US branch network may not be as extensive as Chase's, their digital tools, global presence, and dedicated personal relationship managers provide a personalized experience for those operating on a broader international scale. HSBC's credit card and deposit products are geared toward customers who frequently travel or hold assets abroad, making it a strong choice for individuals with a more global financial footprint. When comparing fees, interest rates, and minimum balance requirements, both banks offer options for reducing or eliminating costs. Customer service experiences can vary, but both institutions provide multiple support channels, including phone, chat, and, in Chase's case, a widespread branch network for in-person assistance. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. If domestic convenience, a comprehensive credit card lineup, and a full range of everyday banking services are your priorities, JPMorgan Chase is likely the stronger option. However, if your financial activities extend internationally and you require global banking services, specialized packages for cross-border transactions, and a bank with a truly global perspective, HSBC USA may be better suited to your needs. Carefully consider your personal or business priorities, geographical scope, and the overall complexity of your financial situation to determine the best fit.